Hello everyone, this is Brianna Washington
and Mercy Moon.
We're doing Maryland Susan Bartram versus State of Maryland case.
Legal 3150, presentation number 1,
Terms and connectors.
So to begin, we're going to see how to cite this case using an actual reporter made of paper. So, as you can see, Maryland Susan Bartram v. State of Maryland is the case. Bartram v. State is actually in capital letters, which helps you figure out the case title. After that, you would write 33md.app.115. Maryland has its own special reports, and that's what for Court of Special Appeals, and that's what this indicates right here with the Maryland.app. After that, you would write 364, which is the volume number of the Atlanta Reporter, second edition, where you would find a case starting on page 1119, as you can tell in the right-hand corner of the page.
Just like Mercy stated, it is two citations. Bartram versus State. 33 is the volume number. MD APP, it is the Court of Special Appeals of Maryland. As you can see, 115 is the page number. And 364 is the second edition in the Atlantic Reporter on page 1119. And it was decided in 1976, as you can see at the top.
Alrighty, now to continue, we're going to be discussing terms and connectors real quick, just so it helps you guys out before we go to the Westlaw search. Ampersand stands for
both search terms in document.
/S means
search terms in the same sentence.
/P means
search terms in the same paragraph.
/N means
search terms within in terms of each other.
And quotation mark means
search terms in the same order.
Alrighty, so now we're going to see how this actually applies when we go to a Westlaw search. So, let's say that I want to find me a nice little juicy case about a husband, a wife, a mistress. I would type in the words as soon as this loads. Wife, husband, mistress. Okay, it's going to load. Now, as you can see, when it loads right here, it's going to be lots and lots of different cases over. You can tell on the left-hand side, it's going to be hundreds of cases about a husband, a wife, and a mistress. So you want one way to trim that down and narrow it would be by using /XS, which means search terms in the same sentence. So I want to say, I want the word husband in the same word as mistress. I'm going to go here and type /mistress. So husband and mistress, I want in the same sentence. And I even want to make it juicier, so I want to talk about murder, and I want it in the same paragraph. So I'm going to put /P. Now let's see what that gives me. Oh, you know what? And okay, murder. Waiting on to load. And let's see if this narrowed our search. You can see, voila! Bartram v. State is at the top of our list for the results. So that's one way of pulling up our case. Now, a different way of pulling it up would be, for example, let's say I want to talk about a wife committing murder specifically. So I want the wife to, I want that word murder and wife to be really close to each other in the same sentence. I'm going to say, I want the word wife / which would be 5 right here, within 5 words of the word murder. Now, and why would the wife be committing murder? maybe the husband's mistress. So I want to use the quotation marks
So it can be in the same order
in the paragraph. Finish typing that up so you can see wife / 5 within 5 words of the word murder, and I want the words husband's mistress to be in the same order, of course, to add to the drama. And see what that gives us. And voila, as you can see, Bartram v. State is the very first case again that pulls up. And this was just using the 5 different terms and connectors, which are really basic. Again, this helps out because if we just type in the word wife, murder, husband, even mistress, we get way too many cases. So this helps us narrow it down right here. And again, as we looked in our very beginning of our presentation, this is where you can see the same exact information for the citation. Okay?
Exactly. 33 MD APP 115, Court of Special Appeals of Maryland.
Of course, again, this is our Bartram v. State case, which was decided in 1976. I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about our terms and connectors.
See you later. Bye-bye.